You are a monster. Ungrateful, selfish.
I am better than okay. I am finally free. I used to think the world was limited by its shadows.
If you are going through a hard time, remember, your current situation is not your final destination. Keep being kind. Keep being fair.
Leo, son. Just listen to your father for 1 minute.
Father? You didn't listen to me that night. It was raining. I was 15. Do you remember what you said?
We didn't know it would be like this. We thought you would find a job and come back. You knew. You knew I had no money. You knew I had no shoes.
But we love you.
No.
You lost the right to call me family. Exactly 10 years ago.
10 years ago, my life was a dark room with no windows. I thought I had a family. I was wrong.
Leo, why is there dust on this table? You are useless.
I'm sorry, Olivia. I cleaned it 3 times. Don't talk back to me.
Jen.
Ethan,
Nothing.
come here.
What now?
Yeah, Dad. Leo is weird. He's always sad.
I am sad because you treat me like a servant. I am your son too, Dad.
Leo, it is hard for us.
Hard? It is impossible. Leo, go to your room. Pack your bag.
My bag? Why?
Because you are leaving. Now.
Leaving? Where? It is 10 p.m.
Can I have his room for my toys, Mom?
Yes, honey. Everything is yours now.
Dad, please say something. Tell her no.
No, Leo, I can't. You know why?
But Dad, this isn't fair.
I'm sorry.
Leo, maybe it is better if you go. We need peace.
You want me to leave? In the rain?
Just go. Don't make it difficult.
Open the door. Get out!
It's cold. It's so cold. I have no home. My shoes are wet.
I have no money. Only $5 in my pocket.
No one is coming to save me. But I will try. I will not die today. I will not give them the satisfaction.
Excuse me. Sir?
What do you want? We are not open.
Are you hiring? I can clean. I can wash dishes. I can do anything.
You look like a beggar.
I am not a beggar. I am a worker. Please.
Okay. Cleaning job. Low pay. Very low. And you sleep in the back storage room.
I will take it. Thank you.
Don't thank me yet. Start now. Wash those 500 plates.
My hands hurt every day. My back felt like it was breaking.
Wash faster! You are too slow! I am washing as fast as I can. Faster! Now! Yes, sir.
Did you scrub the floor? It's disgusting.
I was just about to. Yes, sir. I am doing it now. Every night, I looked at the stars. I told myself, one day, I will own the stars.
Young man.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Yes, sir? Would you like more coffee?
Oh, yes, thank you, Leo.
Absolutely.
Thank you, that's just right. No. I have been watching you for 3 months.
Did I do something wrong?
No. You work harder than anyone I have ever seen. Even when the manager screams at you, you stay calm. Why?
Because I have nothing, sir. If I lose this job, I lose my life. I have to be strong.
Good answer. Hard work is a foundation. But do you want to learn more than just washing plates?
Yes! I want to learn everything.
Come to my address tomorrow at 5 a.m. If you are late by 1 minute, don't come at all.
I will be there at 4:30, sir.
Arthur, who is this boy? He looks like he hasn't slept in a week. He's here now, Victoria. Everything's gonna be all right.
This is Leo. He is the one I told you about.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, Leo, it's so wonderful to meet you. Hello, Leo. I am Victoria. Oh. Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Did you eat breakfast?
Oh, no, it's okay. I am ready to work. Truly, I am fine. Sit down, Leo. In this house, we don't work on an empty stomach. Why are you crying, dear? Are they bad?
No. It's just, my mother never made me breakfast. She only gave me leftovers.
You are not a servant here, Leo. You are a student. And maybe a friend.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You did it, Leo. You are the president of your own empire now.
We did it. I would be under that bus stop without you.
Olivia, this place is too much. We definitely can't afford it. We'll be fine. Mia, shh. Listen, we need to find a job. I heard the owner is looking for cleaners.
Cleaners? But we're princesses.
Not anymore. This is our chance. Play along.
I'm just so tired of being poor. This is your fault, Olivia. You lost the house.
And you, gambling away our money, just like you always do.
Welcome, I'm Leo. So glad you could all make it. Leo.
It can't be. Papa?
Leo? I can't believe it. He looks absolutely loaded.
Olivia. Ethan. It's been a while. How have you both been?
Leo! Oh my gosh! Where have you been? We've been looking for you everywhere.
I told you that bus stop was pointless. Now we're wasting time at this dirty cafe.
Oh, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to kick you out. Please believe me.
I heard you lock the door, Olivia. You turned the key yourself.
Leo, I'm begging you. I need food. I'm so hungry. Please, Leo. Remember? I'm your sister.
You wanted my room for toys then, and now you want my food for your hunger?
I'm so sorry, Leo. We have nowhere left to go. The bank. They took everything from us.
It is better if you go.
I can do this.
We're right behind you.
We are here together.
You are family. You have to help us. It's the law of blood. But what about them?
No.
You own the best restaurant in the city, and you're the wealthiest person I know. How can you say no to me now?
I have millions of memories of the rain. And millions of scars on my hands.
You forfeited that right 10 years ago. Arthur, Victoria, you two are my true family.
Yes, we are.
You are family too.
You'd really leave him out there? Your own father? On the streets?
You left him out there. This piece is exactly what you wanted. Enjoy it.
Leo, please. You have to listen to me.
Mia, it's over.
No, it can't be. Not like this. Please, stay.
Show them the exit. Quietly.
You are a monster. Ungrateful, selfish.
I'm just fair. Goodbye.
I don't understand how this happened.
We lost everything!
Why is it raining now?
Leo, are you okay after everything?
I don't know, Victoria.
Take your time, son. We're here for you.
I feel so light. The anger I carried for 10 years is finally gone.
You show such remarkable calmness, Leo. That's the mark of a true man.
Thank you, Arthur. That means a lot.
I found peace is a choice, and happiness isn't rooted in anger. It's just peace.
Leo, what will you do now? I'll go back to help them. Yes, you will. I'm proud of you. Don't worry. I'll cook for us and make sure all the other lost kids are safe too.
That night 10 years ago, I lost everything. But I found myself.
I found a family that loves me for who I am, not what I have. And that is more than enough.
Well done, Leo.
Couldn't have done it without you, Arthur.
We did it, Victoria.
Leo, have you eaten breakfast yet?
Yes, Victoria, I have. Thank you. I'm fine, really. I'm ready to work.
Leo, sit down. We don't work on empty stomachs. But,
Lynn.
Don't worry, Arthur made us breakfast. Oh, Leo. They're just like how she used to make them. Leo, what's wrong? Why are you crying? Please tell me, Leo. I want to help you.
Is everything all right, son?
I never knew what a real breakfast was like. Just leftovers. Every morning. She never even tried.
You are not a servant here, Leo. You are a student, and maybe, just maybe, a friend.
Really?
Indeed, welcome.
Thank you so much.
We're glad you're safe, Leo.
You're family now.
I told you, Arthur, it's not perfect. It's 1 a.m., I know, but I have to practice the sauce.
Oh, okay.
I'm just so worried about Leo. That room he's in is barely bigger than a closet, and there's no heater.
You know, I don't want to be a bother. But that would be great, thank you.
Leo, you are not a bother. You're the son we never had. You're staying right here with us.
I accept. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome home, Leo. A real home, this time.
Wow. It's beautiful, Victoria.
Keep your focus on the quality of the ingredients. That's the secret to success, Leo.
I will, Arthur. I promise to make you proud. The seasoning is slightly off, Leo. It needs adjustment.
I see. Thank you, Arthur.
Good.
I'll correct it.
You've grown so much, Leo. You're a true leader now.
We've finished preparing the presentation, sir.
I changed because you believed in me when I was just a ghost.
I changed because I decided to survive.
Oh, okay. And you can too, Leo.
Thank you, Arthur.
I made a choice, Leo. I decided to survive.
And that's how you changed?
Yes. Sometimes, that's all it takes.
Thank you all so much for being here. This means the world to me.
Thank you for dining with us. Enjoy your meal.
Congratulations, Leo. President of your own empire now.
I would be under the bus stop without you, Arthur.
Oh, Leo.
I feel so light. The anger I carried for 10 years is finally gone.
You show such remarkable calmness, Leo. That's the mark of a true man.
Thank you, Arthur. That means a lot.
I found peace is a choice, and happiness isn't rooted in anger. It's just peace.
Leo, what will you do now? I'll go back to help them. Yes, you will. I'm proud of you. Don't worry. I'll cook for us and make sure all the other lost kids are safe too.
That night 10 years ago, I lost everything. But I found myself.
I found a family that loves me for who I am, not what I have. And that is more than enough.
Well done, Leo.
Couldn't have done it without you, Arthur.
We did it, Victoria.